What's up guys, my name is Roy and today we will cover 7 Chrome extensions that every entrepreneur or marketer should know. Let's jump into it. The first useful tool is Toggl Time Tracker. I use Toggl to track my time if I work on any freelance project. It's simple and will ensure you will never miss any billable hours. Toggl gives you that flexibility that you want, especially when you're a freelancer. You can simply type in anything you want. Let's say you're working for a project, right? You just type it over here, updating website. Then you press go, and then basically you start working. After you're done working, you just press the stop button, and you can also dedicate it to a category. So let's say you have a certain project, you can just name it over here. And then you can add some tags if you want to specify it a little bit better. Let's just select one and press done. You can simply update the time as well. Let's say you want to have like 1 hour, because sometimes it's hard to keep track from time to time. And if you want to check out the full analytics, you can press over here. One of the key features what I really love is they can give you reports. So you can just select anything over here. So let's say for the last year, you can select it by a team, you can select a certain client and the projects for that. So based on that one, you can have an exact overview what you want. And most importantly, you can also export it over here. So you can download it as a PDF, which you can present to your client. The next runner-up is Keywords Everywhere. It helps me to make the right decisions about creating content. It also allows you to check out any key metrics like monthly search volume, CPC, and competition data of keywords. With Keywords Everywhere, you have the possibility to search online, and it has a nice overlay with all the searches that you do on Google, YouTube, and even other channels as well. So let's check it out. So let's type in Indeed here. Oh, beautiful. You can already see how many search volume there is. So for example, for the best Chrome extensions, there's like around 15k searches per month. You can see how much it costs if you want to do a Google Ads campaign, and you can also see the competition. So let's take a closer look at it. So it's really nice to see. So you can see the SEO difficulty. So the higher the score, the more difficult it is. So it's really good to have like a very low score over here. It means that there's a lot of possibility to create content for that. Also, you can see all the search volume that is going on. And more beautiful is that they give also related keywords. In that aspect, you can start off very simple with, for example, the best Chrome extension. And in the end, you see that there's not a lot of competition going on. Or let's say this one. So there's only 0.02 competition, where 1 is the max. The CPC is also quite low, so good for advertising as well. This is recommendation. So Chrome extension Android. So this can be a very nice one to create, for example, a blog article or a YouTube video in that aspect. Did you ever want to make a full page screenshot, but in the end you always took individual screenshots and combined them together? With GoFullPage, you can capture a screenshot of an entire page with just one simple click. So let's say I want to make a screenshot out of this page. So you can see it's a very scrollable page. It's long. It has a lot of things going on. So in that aspect, what I did before was creating a screenshot and then like copy paste it every single time and then combine them together. I found out that having one Chrome extension works perfectly fine for that. You can just press one single on this button, and what it does, it just captures the screen at once. And then it gives the outputs, and then you can select either download it as PDF or just a PNG. That's pretty much it. Another nifty Chrome extension is Ghostery. It is one of the most advanced ads and tracker blockers. It gives you clear insights in which trackers are on a website and which has been installed, and therefore you can select them one by one what to show and what to not. Alright, everyone is familiar with block websites and that they have a lot of tracking things, ads, everything going on. So one tool that I use for that is Ghostery. So very nice. With Ghostery you can see how many trackers are there, how many requests are being modified. So all the things that are being done on the website which you actually are not sure about what they're doing. In this case, you can also select them, very simple to restrict them or trust them on the site, or just trust the whole website by itself. Sometimes it can occur that some certain features are not working anymore, let's say a contact form or a specific tool. So what I do in that case, I just pause it temporarily for this website. Are you Googling every time for emojis you use in your content? For this, I use Emoji Keyboard. With this extension, I can quickly find all the emojis that I want to use for my campaigns. Yeah, everyone knows that you're searching for that emoji and you cannot find it. So you can just click simply over here. You can type anything you want. Let's say I'm in a sunny mood. So I can find a lot of different emojis. You can just select them and it automatically copies. So it's now under my copy. And you can even select some skin colors and everything. It's very nice, simple, straightforward, but it's easy access. Number 6 on the list is clear cookies and reloads, which makes my life so much easier. With one single click, I can just clear out the cookies and reload. I think this tool doesn't need a lot of explanation. You just simply click over here, clear and reload. So what it does, it's like clear all the cache cookies and everything on the website, so you don't have to do the certain shortcut or go to your settings to clear it out. Very easy and simple. Are you looking for an alternative for Loom video screen recorder? I found out that the screen recorder extension does an excellent job and it's 100% for free. Also, one very straightforward tool. You just click over here. Then you can select either you want to do the screen only or the camera, which is coming out soon, or only the camera. So let's say I only want to do the screen. Then I can select which audio input, microphone, the system. So if you have some background sounds, plus you want to speak, you can select that one, or you press none. So in this case, I just press none, and then you can just press the start recording button. You can even select the screen that you have. I have 3 in total, so let's select the main screen. And then what it does, it just simply record the screen. So you can press stop or you can pause in between. So let's stop, and what it does is just record the video, and then you can save it. So there you have it. 7 Chrome extensions that will help you fire up your work and get more things done. Are you using any of these tools, or do you have some tools that I should be aware of? Let me know in the comments below. Show some love by giving me a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for any new content. Hope to see you around in the next one. Take care.